Okay, hi everyone. Okay, in this video, I will show you how you can drag your profit TP SL. Let me take a entry as a manual, long or short. And here, if you want to take a trade on manual, just you need to click on manual, long, short. Wherever there is one complete candle, bot will automatically take entry. Otherwise, if you need to use semi, my recommendation is use semi-auto. During Zoom session, I always ask you turn on semi-auto. See, now if you want to remove, drag your stop loss or TP, you can drag like this. Just click on the middle of that one, and wherever you want to drag, you can drag your profit and stop loss. So in this video, I will show you how you need to take entry manual and how you can play with your stop loss and profit. My recommendation is just drag only stop loss. Whenever I say drag it to behind that tunnel or level, so you can drag it. Don't touch that TP. That you no need to touch this one. So in same video, if you want to use your like another indicator who will show which will show you how many dollars you can make it in same trade. There's a TW or order manager. Just click on add. After that, click on apply and okay. Now you can see it with this 127 ticks profit, $63 and $148, 297 ticks you said should select it here. So in this indicator, it will show you how many this trade, how you will make and lose. Thank you.